All right, welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are driving to the gym. Today I didn't go in the morning. I was kind of lazy. I was actually posting some stuff, and I received a call about some classes that I had to change because it got canceled. So it was like, you know, it was not a nice morning because I just received a call at 9 o'clock in the morning, which, you know, the usual person, the average person is working at that time, but I personally work at 11 in the morning, which that's actually going to change in the coming weeks. That class is going to start and my schedule is going to change with some changes in my life, but that's fine. I mean, it is fine. I'm not going to worry about it. But yeah, I received a call in the morning from someone that was helping me with the classes that got canceled, so I had to replace it with another class. And then I posted some stuff, which I'm gonna try to change a little bit the things on my social media. And I think TikTok is gonna be fully potential. Well, thing is, I want to post about my things as well, but I want to put more things of consultation, of people to reach me out for consultation, so I can help people with that, and of course make a plan for them, and not just working out videos in Instagram. Of course I want to make clips, but I want to post those on TikTok mainly on TikTok and YouTube Shorts, and maybe 1 or 2 on Fuck, I forgot something really important for the gym, and I just realized that I did forgot that, which, yeah, I'm not, nah. I was gonna go and like do a U-turn in here, but I was like, nah, personally I'm not gonna do that. I mean, I was right there, but I didn't want to lose more time, and I want to cook a steak today. I'm cooking some steak tonight. I don't know with what though. I might just eat steak. Yeah, I might do that, to be honest. I don't want rice. I do want steak. That's for sure. I had a week, like my vacation week was really bad because I was eating a lot outside. So I didn't even eat home. I ate at home like 2 times or 3 times in like 8 days. And it was because I was in the beach, going places, going to eat with friends, going to eat with family, you know, and I didn't actually eat at home that much. I ate like 2 plates of my grandma and like 1 of my mom, maybe. You know, when I come back, it's not gonna be the same though, but you know, I'm gonna try to eat more healthy because I ate a lot in restaurants and I spent a lot of money, but that was not the problem. That was not the only problem, but one of the problems was that I ate at a really bad, and a lot of quantity as well, like crazy. But it's just fine. It was my vacation week. Now I know I can lose my weight real fast because I'm not eating like shit, like trash. So I really want to cook that steak though. I'm just gonna put like garlic and like pepper and salt, lime, and I think that's it, to be honest. I really want some steak. I've been craving steak like for a while. So yeah. All right, let's make it to the gym. Let's make it to the gym because I really want to go. I really want to get there and be done with everything. Not gonna lie. And then I want to chill on the night. I really want to chill tonight. Something making a noise. I think it's a thing for the sun. Not really sure. But yeah. It's back workout today. I want to do a lot of reps. And I should actually do some cardio too. And if I do some cardio, I'll be done like really late. Which I'm thinking if it's good to me for me to do the steak today. Or do the steak tomorrow in the morning. Decision. I have to decide. We're almost there. Damn, I feel cold. Hold on, man. This AC is kind of crazy sometimes. I was actually thinking of going to the beach like September. I don't know how Hilton Head is. I don't know if Hilton Head on September is good. I was thinking of making like a trip over there. Buy some friends and you buy my girl. I don't know. I might actually. Oh shit! I might actually think about it. I'm gonna see if I can talk to my friend and see, because Hilton Head is kind of like good. At least I saw some pictures. It looked good, and they said someone told me that the food is fresh, like fish is fresh and stuff. So I might think about it, see if I can like do a trip in there. You know, going to the beach is something that, you know, I love going to the beach. Not gonna lie, I love going outside, but going to the beach is, it's so good. So we'll see if I can do like a trip there, because sounds good to me. I don't know how September is in beach. You know, I don't know if that's gonna be like a problem, but I'm gonna leave it for next summer though. I don't know. It depends. It depends on everything. We'll see. And I don't want to go in my car, so I want to rent a car, you know, and do that. You know, maybe like tell the guys and kind of like pay the car between a couple of guys, you know, so it's cheaper, and go with a nice SUV, a big SUV, so I don't have to go with my car. My car is kind of not uncomfortable. I don't want to put miles on it. That car looks like my roommate's. But all right, let's get to work out. I don't know why there's so many people here. So all right, let's get to work. All right, we are here. I already worked out. Let's see if I can actually cook a steak. Oh goodness, I'm actually very hungry. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh shit, not this music. I'm very, very hungry. Not like that hungry, to be honest, but I could eat some steak, or I could eat it tomorrow. I gotta decide what I'm gonna do, to be honest. I need to drink some protein. I'm gonna prepare some protein, how you say, shake. Probably 2 scoops, to be honest. But 2 scoops means having to buy more protein faster. But I think I'm gonna have to do that to be able to make it to 200. 200 is kind of crazy. So I'm gonna have to have 60 from a shake and then the other one from food. Goodness, it's crazy. It's hard, not gonna lie to you. It's not that hard. I think it's just takes time to prepare the food, and on top of that, it's expensive. You know, food is not cheap, and more when you are by yourself. It's like it's not cheap. It's expensive right now. Everything is expensive. You go to the store and you want to get, like, I don't know, chicken, rice, and some stuff. It's like $100. Everything. It's like crazy. Everything is so crazy right now. And I think that the only solution is for people, because everything I think is gonna it's just gonna blow up. I think everything is gonna go and keep rising and rising on prices. So I think the only way for us to survive is if we make more money. If that's the only way. Like, if you have to spend more, just think on we have to make more. So not like finding cheaper prices. A lot of people want to find, yeah, you can find cheaper prices, but I think that there's gonna be a time where you're not gonna find cheaper prices anywhere, and everything's just gonna be super high, like double, triple, whatever the price it was. So, you know, I think we have to make more money. I think on my position, I want to make more money. I don't want to find cheap stuff. I don't want to like save more. I have to make more money to be able to survive and be able to have the lifestyle that I want. If you want a lifestyle where you want nice cars, you want to have nice trips, you want to travel around, you want to see the world, you want to see what is outside, which is a lot. There's a lot of stuff outside. Like, there's a lot of things you could do, a lot of places you can go, a lot of places you can take your family, a lot of things and gifts you can do, a lot of missions, organizations you can complete to help people. You know, there's a lot outside. But to be able to do those things, you have to make more money than, way more than the average person. You have to make a lot of money. You have to make $200,000-$300,000 a year, and it's gonna get to a point where even $200,000 is not gonna be that much money, because everything keeps rising, you know. So there's gonna be a time where you're not gonna be able to find a chicken, you know. Probably like the pound is gonna be like $10 or something like that, you know, and you're gonna be making the same or less money, you know. So it's kind of crazy what's going on, you know. And I know I'm in the United States and I'm in a position where, you know, I'm more than very better than the average American, to be honest. I'm 21 and I'm about to graduate, and I'm making money. I'm not poor at all. I have a lot of investments and I have a lot of stuff that I'm trying to make money from and I'm trying to learn from. And, you know, but, you know, still get to a point where, you know, whatever I do, it can, you know, whatever the mistake I do, whatever happens, it can affect me really bad, because I'm by myself in a country where I have to pay rent, I have to pay for everything, you know, car insurance and gas and groceries and insurance, like health insurance, car insurance, college loans for the student loans, you know, stuff like that. Credit cards to use for trips and for stuff that I'm using, you know. It's a lot. It's a lot of stuff. So, you know, but it is what it is. I mean, life is one, and I think we have to enjoy it. It's not just make money. You know, I was very focused on making more and more and making a lot of money, but I forgot about my family. I forgot about my friends. I forgot about having some fun. I forgot about smile a little bit. I forgot about, you know, having to go another place, to just chill in a minute. You know, I forgot about that. And you know, it was good for me to go on vacation because I was able to actually meet people that I can use for business in the future, and I know I will. And you know, a lot of connections, and it's good. And I had my vacation, and I met a lot of people, and I was able to help people, and that brings joy to you. You know, on this vacation I had, one of the best things I did was to have money, cash, not US currency, but Dominican pesos, like with me. I had bills with me that I was able to help people, $2, $3, $5 people, you know, people that were in need. I bought food for a little kid, and that brings joy to you. It gives you motivation to keep working harder of what you were working. You know, it made me realize that I have worked hard, and I'm grateful for God to be able to give me the things that I have, the credit cards that I have, all the money I have, all I'm able to make spend money on helping people. You know, I'm able to do that. God allowed me to have that, and I'm grateful for that. And it brings me joy that I was able to help people. I help a lot of people. I helped more than 10 people on that trip. I gave money to a lot of people. I bought food for a little kid. I gave tip. I helped people that helped me with my teeth. I gave tip to security guards. I gave just, you know, helping people that are in need. You know, for me, it's not that much. You know, it's not that I'm rich. It's not that I'm a millionaire, or I can like just, you know, drop my money and not care. But I'm able to help people, you know. And for me, might not be that much, but for them, it's crazy amount of money. It's crazy help, and they are very, very grateful for it. So I'm very happy that I was able to do that trip. I was able to have joy, able to motivate myself more, help to connect with people, able to go to church, and able to do a lot of things. And now I'm able to come back and work harder to work through my goals. So actually, I think I'm gonna post a video about that I was talking right now. I think it deserves a video, the vacation I had, and I think it deserves a video and a couple clips, Spanish and English. But I think it deserves a really good couple clips, a couple videos, because it was really, really, really good. And for a lot of people think that it's just money, success, connections, trips, but no. In those trips, you help people, you connect with people, you tell something good to someone, and help people, you know, financially, mentally, spiritually, you know, with advice, you know. So that's what life is. Serve to others and praise God. See you guys in the next video.